Okay guys, so we will continue uh, our project or discussion last time. So we have the connection, we have the index, that is your login page. Then we have the process. So process for your registration, also the process for your login account. Then we have this update account. Okay. We have reg, that is your registration form or registration page. We have this anchor text or anchor links. If you click this one, you will go to your index.php file or page. And then we have this user home.php. After the user login, they will go to your login page. Then the purpose of this query is to get the name of the owner of the page. Same with your Facebook account. So example, okay, to run the project, so allow slash the name of the folder. So how to open your database? You have localhost slash php my admin. To check what is your database name, go to your con.php, and I have this one, my database name. But before that, always check your SAMP application. Check your SAMP application or control panel. Okay. So always check that the Apache and MySQL is running. So if not, please click the start and another button for your MySQL start. Okay. So Apache and MySQL is already running. Okay, need to close this one. Okay. And then localhost slash phpMyAdmin is your database. Then at the left side, locate your database name. So I have this one. I have tables. Sorry, table, because I have one table, users. So I need to log in this one. Okay. Then the password is 12345. So account accepted, welcome users. So as you can see at the title, you can see your name. So that is the purpose of your get name. Then fetch object. So fetching object in one row based on your query, where email is equal to this email. So this is my email. So it gets the name, this one. For the continuation of our project, we need to create posts. So we need to create a file for create post.php because update profile is already working. Then we have this logout, home, gallery, group project, create post. So we need to create post. Okay, so again, new file. So this is create post.php. Create post.php, then HTML5. So we are using the HTML5. Again, to call who is the owner of this page, we need to copy this one, the fetch or fetch object or the get name. So copy. In your user home, copy this program, then add it at the top of your create post.php. Then after that, echo, PHP echo. Okay, create PHP here. Open, close. Echo, variable, name, semicolon. So we are calling this one. Then h1 slash h1. So we can name this one the create post. Create post page. Create post. Then file, save. Save. Okay, reload. Create post, not working because we didn't link. So go to your user home.php. So we need to link this one. So create post, we have create post.php. Create post.php. Okay, file, save. Go to your update profile, then link your create post in your create post.php. Okay, make sure that the spelling is correct. File, save. Same with your user home. So we have already linked the create post. Create post. Okay. Then try to copy the links for navigation. User home.php, file, copy the navigation, go to your create post.php, and then paste it here. File, save. So we already created the create post page. So create post. Go to home, create post, okay, gallery, group project, create post, update profile, create post. Okay, so it is working. So what are the things that we need to post? Okay, so we need to create form in your create post.php. So we have form, action. So the method we are using is post. Then follow, close form. Okay, so the action will go to your process.php. So this is your process.php. So at the bottom part, before the closing of your PHP, please add line comment. This code is for create post. Okay, so go back to your create post file. Then, so we will use label for the naming. So label, close, label. Okay, example, what are the things that we need to post? Example, the title of your post. Title of your post. Then we have this text box. Input, type. Okay, text. Then we have the name. Title. We have the required so that it is not empty. Then you can put placeholder. Okay, placeholder, title, okay, title here. Then, okay, slash p. This one is slash break. Okay. Title of your post. We can set the date. So, okay. Copy this one. Select date. Then we have input type, date. Then this is date, or we can call it my date. Required placeholder, no need because it is a date. Then the last one is your text area. Okay, text. Sorry, we can add description. Okay, so label, we can add description. Add description. Then we are using the text area. Text area, we have false. Shortcut for columns, rows. So we can set columns. Okay. Closing of your text area. Then we have the name. This shortcut for description. You can set columns 50, rows 20. Then the last one is the button. So we have input, type, submit. So close P. Input, type, submit. Then we have the name. We have the value. Value, post. The name of this form is, we can call it create underscore post. So this is the name of our button. Close form. Okay. Then file, save. Create post. We have the action. It will go to your process.php. If you click the button create post or the value post, then it will go here. So we will try to open this one, create post, reload. The text area is too much big, so we need to reduce it. I think the rows -10. So we can set the rows to 10, then reload. Okay, so we have this add description, the date, title, then the button, post. Okay. So we have the home, gallery, group project, create post, update profile, then log out. So we need to do the function for your create post. How many uh, table name or fields that we need to create for your database? So create table. Okay, go to your localhost/phpMyAdmin. Go to your database, then create table. Post. Number of columns. We have the reference ID that will set into auto increment. We have the title. We have the date. We have the description. And posted by. So we need to set 5. So number of columns, 5. Okay, go. So ID. Then we have the title. We have the date. So set this my date. Then this description and posted underscore by. So your name will be okay, name will be posted here, posted by. Description, my day title. Type, hint, varchar, my date, you can set as varchar. Description, varchar, or we can set this as uh, long text. If we have a large uh, characters or words that we need to encode, posted by, okay, varchar, length 255, 255, 255. For the long text, leave it blank, then posted by 255. Then we will set the ID to AI, that is auto increment, and primary key. So the ID is your primary key, and they will set to AI for auto increment. Then save this one. So we already created our table named post, and we have these fields: ID, title, my date, description, and posted by. So we have 5. Okay, but we have only 3 text box or data to get. So the last one, so please add input type hidden, okay, so that we can carry over the name using the process.php. So input type hidden, you have the name posted underscore by. So this is the name of the text box, and value. Okay, so we will open close PHP, then echo. So what's the value? Echo the variable name. So posted by echo variable name semicolon. So this is the value of your hidden text box. Fine, save. So we need to carry over this name to our process.php. Okay, fine, save. Then reload. Okay, so date. So it is working. Title. Okay. So we already created our table. So we need to insert our data or posted data in this table to our table post. So how to do that? So we have this button, input type, submit, name, create post. Copy the create post, then go to your process.php because your action is process.php. If you click this one, it will go to your process.php. So go to your process.php, and the program is if set open close $sign underscore post square bracket single then paste the name of your button or the name of your submit button, and try to echo this button is for okay, this button is for create post, then file, save this one, try to reload, then try to add the title, the date, then description, post. This button is for create post, so it is accepted. Okay, so we need to get the data of your text box. So title, so we need to declare variable title, the variable date, okay, the variable description, okay, shortcut, then your variable posted underscore by, posted by, okay. So yeah, this title is equal to $ underscore post, square bracket, semicolon, single. So what's the name of our text box title? That is title. So if you type text, we have title, copy, then go to your process, paste it here. Then we have this date. So the name is my date, copy, then go to process, you have $ underscore post, square bracket, semicolon, single, then paste. We have description, $ underscore post, square bracket, semicolon, single quote. Okay, that is what's the name of our text area, that is this, copy, then go to your process, then paste it here. Posted by, that is input type hidden, so the name is posted by, copy, go to process, square bracket, semicolon, single, then paste. Okay, so try to echo variable title. Okay, then file, save. Try to reload or run the project. So create post. So we have this title, QQQ, set the date, description, post. Okay, we have this an error at line 12, unexpected square bracket at line 12 on your process.php file. So we need to go to our process.php on line 12. Line 12, okay, we forgot the underscore. And same it here, $ underscore post. Okay, so $ underscore post, okay, already set. Title, wrong spelling. Okay, variable title, date, this, posted by, okay, file, save. Then reload. So we have this title. My date, so this is date. Okay, save. Then reload. Okay, so we have this date. Then description. So we have this variable this, file save, reload. Okay. Then the last one, posted by. Okay, posted by, file save, then reload. Okay, so all the data is set. So our variable is not empty. So we have set all the variables. Then try to insert. So we have to insert post. So we have variable insert post is equal to my SQLi underscore query, open close parenthesis, semicolon, your connection, that is variable con, comma, double quote, then insert into, okay, insert into, what's the table name? Double check. We have this table name post. Then where, values, open close, single, comma, we have the five fields. Okay, 5 fields. So single, comma, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Set this one to 0 because this is the AI of your ID, the auto increment. Then followed by your title, copy, paste, date, okay, paste, okay. Then we have this description and posted by. Okay. If variable insert post is true, okay, we have this condition. If true that the data was inserted into your database, okay, echo post is inserted. Else, then you have to echo this one. Okay. Post error. Okay, file save. So we need to check if the data is inserted in your table post. File save. Okay, reload. So title, Lord of the Ring, Lord of the Rings. So a description, I already watched it 10 times. And post. Post is inserted. So reload or browse. Okay. I already watched it 10 times. Okay. So the data or our program is already posted in our table. So we have the ID, title, my date. So the date, description, I already watched it. Posted by, okay, your name. Okay, try to insert another one. But before that, we need to do the script. So open, then, close PHP, open PHP. Then inside of it, we need to add script. Slash script. So what's the script? So we are using the JavaScript inside of our PHP. Alert, then double quote. So the post was inserted in the database. Okay. Then we have this that location that href. So we need to link this program. If the data was inserted, it will go to your home. So we will go back in the index.php. So index.php. Copy this one, replace it here. Alert, post. We need to change the notification message. Error in posting. So it will go back to your create post that php, create post that php. If error, if it is successful, it will go to your index.php. Then file save. Okay, so this is the code for your create post. Then try to reload this one. Home, gallery, group project, create post, update profile, by create post title. Okay. The legend of Narnia. We have this date. Description. Okay, this is one of my favorite movie. Then post. Post was inserted in the database. Okay. Try to check, browse. Okay, so the title, my date, description, and posted by. Okay, then what's next? So we need to show, if we inserted the data in your database, we need to retrieve this data. So retrieve data, how to retrieve? Okay, so we will go to your home page. In your index or user home.php. Sorry, my fault. So this is not index. This is must be your user home.php. User home.php, create post.php. File save. Okay,